Okay, welcome back. So in the series in Smarten, where we are connecting to different data sources, we have done two demonstrations. One was with the flight data, and the other was with Google Analytics data. So there are these other videos which are available on our website. You can have a look at them. So now we are going to connect the self-serve data preparation module and use it to connect to SQL Server.
Right, so yes, so let's go to Smarten now. This is the data set I had created for Google earlier. Now I will create the SQL Server. You can see many other data sources here. Right now I'll just say SQL Server, SQL data source. Yeah, uh, let me take the yeah. So let me test the connection. Connection is good, so I'll say okay. It's asking me if I want to create the data set from this. I'll say yes. Yes. I'll go by step wizard. So I can see all my database schema here. And let me select the sales schema first. And let me select say customer. So I can see customer here and the customer data here. Let me select the store, and as you can see here, it automatically identified the join. Join is a good strength, 100% join. That's the reason it is shown in green. I also have the columns from store data, the store table here, and it's created the join. Now say let me go to okay, now let me take order header. It identifies the joins between these two tables. It's also brought in some data from the header table. Let me take the order detail table here. And it's working on suggesting the relationship. It did pretty well. Order header is connected to order detail, as we can see. Now I want some product data. So as you can see, I can query across the schema as well, which can be very powerful if you can imagine in the real use cases. And I'll create, say I'll take a product from here. It's trying to join the product, and I think it's not able to find a good join. It's showing it with me in the red. This is no good join. So let me remove the join here, and I can join this with other, and let me try to join it with order detail here. And it's trying to see how good that join is. And here it is. It's able to create a join with based on the product ID. You have the different type of joins here as well. You can see all the columns here. Yeah, and you can remove the columns which you don't need. Yeah, you can also turn the join option on and off if you want to. You can also have the filters, say you want it for a particular store or uh, particular customer or particular territory. You can, that's typically your where condition. So my table looks okay, relationships look okay. So I can move now, and my data is into the data set now. And like we showed you in the other videos, you can do all this cleaning and transformation and other operations to clean up the data, or perhaps join it with say your CRM data from your Salesforce, or some data from your sales spreadsheets and Excel and stuff. So yes, I mean this was just to show you how easy it is to connect to databases, SQL Server in this case, and how this machine learning based auto suggestions for joins and strength of joins helps even a user who doesn't know SQL to create complex queries across SQL Server schemas.
Yeah, so I mean, in terms of most of the ERPs, transaction processing systems, you would have a SQL Server or an Oracle database, and you would have multiple tables, and you would be selecting few columns from that to build your, core engine for analytics. And this particular demo will kind of, maybe able to allow you to see how easy it will be for you to say, for example, do some inventory analysis or sales analytics or
And
things
even
like
to merge your data from your ERP to your spreadsheets
trades. And
and
yeah.
CRM and cloud-based CRMs, or your sales spreadsheets and stuff. So
So, just to kind of summarize it, we have done three demos, and which we have brought in a very large quantity of flight data, 2 million, 3 million rows, and connected it with the weather. There's a video on that. And then we did a connection with Google Analytics, and then we did a connection with SQL Server. So these are three different videos which are available for you to check out. Okay, thank you. So there are this series continues with smart visualization and then followed by predictive modeling. So check out the other videos. Thank you.